Hi everybody, I am Dr. Jabaraj. In this video, I have presented the basic concepts of thermodynamics, mainly heat, work, system and property. I request all the viewers to watch the video completely so that you will get clear idea about heat, work, system and property. Introduction to thermodynamics. It is a science of the relationship between heat, work and the properties of the system. It is focused to convert heat energy from various energy sources such as fossil fuels into mechanical work. What do you mean by fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are nothing but the conventional energy sources like coal. Heat engine. It is a system which operates in a cyclic manner, produces net work by the addition of heat. In other words, heat engine is a mechanical engine which converts heat supplied into useful work. The best example is the internal combustion engine, the car engine. So, how the power is generated in the internal combustion engine? You are supplying the fuel and air, and when it gets ignited, the combustion takes place and the chemical energy gets converted into heat energy, and the heat energy gets converted into mechanical work. What is heat and work? Heat is a form of energy which is transferred from hot body to cold body. Always the net heat transfer takes place between hot body towards the cold body. Work. What is work? Work is termed as the product of force and the distance moved in the direction of force. In mathematical form, work is given by W is equal to F multiplied by D, where W is the work, F is the force and D is the distance moved in the direction of the force or the displacement. If you see this figure, a vessel filled with water is kept above the flame and the flame is on. So what happens now? The heat from this hot flame gets transferred to the water mainly by the three modes of heat transfer such as conduction, convection and radiation, and the water gets heated up. Initially, this region, the flame is at high temperature and the water is at cold temperature. As I already told, always the net heat transfer takes place from hot body to cold body. System and its types. What do you mean by system? It is defined as the collection of matter within prescribed and identifiable boundaries. So anything which is inside a boundary or a collection of matter within the boundary is termed as system. Surroundings. Everything which is outside the system is called as surroundings. And the boundary is nothing but it is an imaginary envelope or imaginary line which separates the system from the surroundings. If you see this figure, it is a system which is covered by an imaginary boundary, and everything which is outside the system which crossing the boundary is termed as surrounding. The entire space is termed as universe. So universe is a self-contained infinite thermodynamic system, and it can be also written as universe is the sum of system plus surroundings. Types of system. Systems are classified into three main types, namely closed system, open system, and isolated system. Closed system. What do you mean by closed system? In this closed system, only energy transfer takes place between the system and surrounding, and there is no mass transfer takes place. Example, putting a lid on the saucepan, making the saucepan a closed system. A closed system is a system that exchanges only energy with its surroundings, not the matter. By putting a lid on the saucepan, matter can no longer transfer because the lid prevents matter from entering the saucepan or leaving the saucepan. The best example, instead of saying all these lines, you can simply mention as pressure cooker. The other best example is you consider as piston cylinder arrangement, which is thermally insulated and the gas is filled inside. So now this inner region acts as a system, and this line acts as the boundary, and everything which is outside this piston cylinder arrangement is termed as surroundings. So here in this there is no mass transfer, only the energy transfer takes place. So this system is a closed system. Open system. In the open system, both energy transfer and mass transfer takes place across the boundaries. That means the mass as well as the energy can transfer in both the sides, from system to surrounding or surrounding to system. Example, the stove top is an example for the open system because heat and water vapor is lost to the air. The other examples for open system are steam turbine, internal combustion engines, boiler, feed pump, air compressor. Most of the mechanical engineering applications comes under the open system. The third type of system is isolated system. In this isolated system, neither energy transfer nor mass transfer takes place across the boundaries. That means there is no energy transfer and there is no mass transfer takes place across the boundaries. So this system is isolated system, no energy transfer and no mass transfer. The best examples are thermoflask and universe. Property of a system. What do you mean by property? Any characteristic of a system which is in equilibrium are termed as property. The properties are three different types. Intensive properties, which is independent on the mass of the system. Example, temperature, pressure. Always you have to represent the temperature by capital T. I don't advise you to use small t, because small t normally we use in thermodynamics or the thermal power subjects. Small t is for the time, and always represent temperature by capital T and the pressure P. Extensive properties, dependent on the size or mass of the system. Example, total mass, total volume. Number 3, specific properties. These are all extensive properties per unit mass. Example, specific volume and specific enthalpy. So specific volume is nothing but volume over mass, and specific enthalpy is enthalpy divided by mass. Enthalpy is nothing but it is the heat content in the body. Thank you for watching. I hope this video would have given you the basic concepts of thermodynamics, mainly in work, heat, system and properties. If you have any questions, please put your questions in the comment box. I am sure that for everyone question I will answer you in the chat box. Also, you subscribe the channel so that whenever I put the new videos in mechanical engineering and other useful topics, it will reach you on time. Also, I request you to share this channel to your friends. Thank you.